Hi, I'm gonna unbox this set of pasta bowls. So what actually happened was the other night I was up late, I was shopping on Amazon, don't tell my husband, and I ordered these bowls. And so I'm gonna probably be just as surprised as you are about what's in this box. Because I remember ordering the pasta bowls, but I couldn't remember what size they were. I know what I needed, so I think I got what I wanted, but I hadn't really looked at it before they showed up. So, and I also open boxes with pens, and this makes my husband crazy as well. But I'm gonna go ahead and open this box. Yeah, I love shopping. Oh, and there's another box in here. Okay, so, oh wow, it's heavy. Okay, it's got wrapping in there. Okay, so I had to go get a knife. Now, this box was smaller than the bigger box that the Amazon came in, so these actually might be what I thought I ordered, because when I saw that huge box, I thought, oh gosh, which ones did I get? So, but that's okay. So I think these might be the ones I was looking at. So I'm excited to see them. Seem to be having technical difficulties here. Here we go. Okay. Oh man, there's more packing. Okay, oh, these look cool. They are just the bowls I was looking for. And there's 6 of them in here. There's 6 of these bowls. This is super cool. All right. Awesome. These are great bowls. I can do all kinds of stuff with this. And one of my favorite things for pasta bowls is that they're a little bit shallower than your normal bowl, which is really nice so you can see, but there's still a little bit of depth in there. Isn't this cool? Check that out. Look at that bowl. Isn't that beautiful? These are really nice. Gorgeous. Cool, cool, cool. The company says YHY, and they are fine porcelain, dishwasher safe, and they are fun and ready to go. Awesome. I'm super excited about these. Again, there's 6 of them in this box. Really good price. Price is great. They're beautiful. They're super sturdy, and these are going to be perfect addition for what I am needing. I am so excited. Awesome.